Om Shanti. This video will resolve every kind of problem in your life and calm your mind so that you can focus completely on whatever work you are doing. Sit in a quiet place, put on your headphones, close your eyes, and listen to this whenever you find the time. For the next 15 minutes, only practice the instructions given and focus entirely on yourself. Bring your body into a state of relaxation, sit comfortably. Today, you need to talk to yourself. Let your limbs go loose and close your eyes gently. Music. This time belongs solely to you. It is meant only for you. Give your mind and brain a rest from all worries and thoughts for a while. Try to experience the peace within you. Now, focus your entire attention on your breath. Keep becoming calmer. Feel the positive energy within you. Now tell me, who are you? You are a soul. Try to see a spark of light, a point of energy on your forehead between your eyebrows. Keep breathing slowly. You are a soul. Your problems are not yours. They belong to this body and this world. You are a pure soul. Your needs are also not yours. They belong to your body and this world. You are free from problems. You are free from needs. Keep breathing comfortably. Music. How much energy is within you? How much peace? How much bliss? Everything is already inside you. It is possible for you to achieve your goal. What is your goal? Peace and prosperity. All of this is possible for you, the soul. Letting go of all your worries, focus now on the silence of your inner self. Keep your focus on your breath. How much peace there is. How much joy. With every breath you take in, the infinite energy of the universe is entering you, cooling your mind and purifying the soul. Every breath you release is carrying all your negativity out of you. Your energy level is rising, and your mind is calm. All problems are moving away from you. Every kind of fear is leaving you. There is so much peace here. Rays of peace are emerging from within you and spreading all around you. This is your true form. Keep your focus on your breath. Let's go deeper. Continue to become even more silent. Recognize the peace within you. There is positivity everywhere here, a distinct glow. There is a massive silent world inside you. For some time, spend this time alone with this vast silence. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Shanti. Om. Om Shanti. Om. Om Shanti. Om. Om Shanti. Whatever your goals are for today, you will fulfill them with full responsibility. Today, all your family relationships will be better than they were yesterday. Keep your focus on your breath and slowly experience that supreme peace, supreme positivity, and supreme energy, along with the coolness of your breath. Feel the power within you. Now, let's return. Om Shanti. Let your breathing return to a normal pace. Slowly open your eyes. Om Shanti. Feel the flow of energy in your body. You have now returned to your normal state. Om Shanti. क्या आप चाहेंगे कि मैं इस स्क्रिप्ट के लिए कुछ सुखदायक सूदिंग बैकग्राउंड